Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel chapter 6 cap delta point. Go to the instruction file. So my title is Exp19 Excel chapter 6 cap assessment delta point. We can move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is download and open the Excel file name Exp19 Excel chapter 6 cap delta point XLSLX. GoDaddy has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the instruction file. I have already downloaded the Excel file. So we can move to the instruction file. Step number 1 is complete. We can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is create appreciate range name for the total production cost cell B18 and gross profit cell B21 by the selection using the value in the left column. Create the shade range name for the total production cost in cell B18. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the B18 total production cost. Go to the data tab, formula tab. Go to the define name group and create from a selection and select the left column, click OK. So the name of total production cost and a gross profit cell B21 by the selection using the value in the left column. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the B21. Go to the formula tab and define name, create a from selection and create a name from the selection is select the left column, click OK. So the name of gross profit B21 is a gross profit. Using the value in the left column. So step number 2 is complete. We move to the step number 3. So the step number 3 is added the existing name range employee hourly wages to hourly wages 2021. Hourly wages to 2021 plus the hourly wage to hourly wages 2021. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the formula tab and go to the define name group and added the existing name range employee hourly wage to hourly wages 2021. Copy the name and name manager hourly employees hourly, select and added the and paste the name hourly wages 2021, click OK. So add the hourly wages 2021, click close button. So step number 3 is complete. We can move to the step number 4. So the step number 4 is use the newly created range name to the create a formula, calculate net profit in a cell B22. Net profit is equal to gross profit total production cost. create a formula, use a calculate the net profit cell B22 and net profit is equal to gross profit minus total production cost. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell B22. B22 type is equal to gross profit minus total production cost. Gross profit minus total production cost. Select the total production cost. Press enter button. So the step number 4 is complete. So step number 4 is complete. We can move to the step number 5. Step number 5 is create a new worksheet, label range name, paste the newly created range name information in the cell A1 and resize the column as needed for a proper display. Ensure that the data sorted by the range name column A. Go to the Excel worksheet and create a new worksheet. Create a new worksheet, range, label is a range name. Copy the name. Go to the Excel worksheet and sheet 1 is a right click and rename the sheet 1. Paste the sheet name is range name. Press enter button. Paste the newly created range name information in the cell A1 and resize the column needed to the proper display. Ensure that the data is sorted by the range name column A. Select A1 and go to the formula tab. Use in a formula. Select the use in a formula arrows and select the paste name. Group profit hourly wages 2021 total production cost is selected and click the paste list and is the column as needed for a property display. Column A is a auto fit column. So the step number 5 is complete. We can move to the step number 6. Step number 6 is on the for cost worksheet. Start in the cell E3. Go to the for cost sheet and start in the cell E3. Go to the cell, selected cell is E3 and complete the series of substitution value range from the 10 to 200 increment of a 10 gallon vertically down column E. Select the cell E3 and substitution value ranging from 10 to 200. Type 10, press enter and go to the home tab and cell group, editing group and select the series. from a series substitution value ranging from the 10 to 200. Select the column and the step value is a 10 and stop value is a 200. Type the 200 and click OK. So the start value is 10 and stop value is a 200. So the step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. So the step number 7 is enter a reference to the total production cost, gross profit and the net profit cell, the correct location and a net profit cell in the correct location F2, G2 and H2 cell from one variable data table. Use the range name where is indicated. Enter a reference the total production cost and gross profit in a cell F2, G2 and select the H2. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the F2. Select the cell is F2, total production cost. Type is equal to and total production cost. Total production cost is 375. Click 375 and press enter button. And as G2 is a gross profit. Go to the cell, select the G2, type is equal to and the gross profit. Click the gross profit. Select the G2 and click the gross profit and press enter button. And H2 cell is a net profit. Net profit cell is the correct location is the cell H2. Select the cell H2, press the is equal to and select the net profit cell is equal to net profit cell. Type enter button, select enter button. So step number 7 is complete. We can move to the step number 8. So the step number 8 is complete the one variable data table in the range E2 to H22 using in a cell B4 in the column input and the format the result with the accounting number format with the 2 decimal places. Select the range is E2 to H22. Copy the range and Excel worksheet, paste the range and select the range. Using the cell B4 is a column input and then format, then the result counting number format with the two decimal places. Select the range, go to the data tab and select the for question group what if analysis. Select the data table, select one variable data table. In a using cell is B4 column input cell. B4 is a column input cell. Column input cell is a select the B4. Click OK. And then format the result with the counting number format with the two decimal places. Select the range, go to the home tab, select the number group and number group, click arrow, counting number format with the two decimal places. Click OK. So the step number 8 is complete. We can move to the step number 9. So the step number 9 is apply the custom number format to make the formula reference appear as a descriptive column heading in a cell F2 total cost, in a G2 is a gross profit and H2 is a net profit. Apply the custom number format. Go to the home tab and select the number group. Click the custom number. Select the general and remove the general. Select the cell is in F2 is a total cost. Select the cell F2, number group, custom number and general is a general, and type the inverted commas. F2 is the total cost. Copy the total cost and paste the total cost and close the inverted column. Inverted commas. Click OK. So the type the total cost. And G2 is a gross profit. Again is a select the number group and custom number. Select the general, move the general and type the inverted commas. Copy the gross profit, paste the gross profit and type the inverted commas. Click OK. Sorry. Select the cell is G2. Select the cell in a G2 gross profit. Again go to the number group. Select the general and remove the general. Type the inverted commas. Paste the gross profit and close the inverted commas. Click OK. In a cell H2 is a net profit. Select the cell is H2, home tab and click the number group, custom number format select the general and type the inverted commas, paste the net profit, and close the inverted commas and click OK. So H2 is the net profit. Apply the bold and center the heading and substitution value. Select the F2 to H2. Go to the Home tab and select the bold and alignment group. Click center. Bold and center the heading. So step number 9 is complete. We can move to the step number 10. So the step number 10 is copy the number of gallon produce substitution value from the one variable data table and then paste the value starting in a cell E26. Copy the number of gallon produce substitution value from the one variable data table and then paste the value as E26. Copy the value, go to the Home tab and click copy and paste is E26. Paste the value is E26. Paste the value as E26 and press the button is escape. So step number 10 is complete. We can move to the step number 11. So the step number 11 is type the $15 in the cell F25. Complete the series of substitution value from the $15 to $14 at the $5 increment. Go to the cell is F25. F25 cell selected and type the $50. Complete the series of substitution value is the $50 to $40 at the 5 increment. So go to the Home tab and select the editing group. Select the series. Series dialog box is open. Complete the substitution value from $50. Select the series in the row. Step value is a type of 5 and the stop value is a 40. Select the row series. Step value is 5 and stop value is 14. Click OK. Start value is a 50 and stop value is a 14. So the step number 11 is complete. We can move to the step number 12. So the step number 12 is enter the reference to the net profit formula in the correct location from two variable data. Enter a reference to the net profit formula and the location for two variable data. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the E25. Type is equal to and select the B22. Press the enter button. So step number 12 is complete. We can move to the step number 13. Step number 13 is complete the two variable data table in the range E25 to K44. Use the B6 as a row input cell and B4 in the column input cell. Select the range E25 to K45. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter button. Use the cell B6 is the row input in a cell. B4 is the column input cell. Go to the home tab, data tab, and go to the for cost group. Click on what if analysis and select the data table. So data table is open. Dialog box. Use the cell B6 is a row input and B4 cell and B4 8 column. B4 as the column input cell. Row input cell is a select the cell B6. Select the cell is B6. And column input cell is a B4. Column input cell is a B4. And B6, B4, click OK. Format the result with the accounting number format to decimal places. Go to the home tab, accounting number format and 2 decimal places. Click OK. So step number 13 is complete. We go to the step number 14. So the step number 14 is apply the custom number format to make the formula reference appear as a descriptive column. Heading is the wages. Copy the wages. Apply the custom number format. Go to the home tab and select the cell as editing group. Go to the number group. Click the custom number format Go to the select a cell is general, copy the wages and remove the general and type the inverted commas, paste the wages and close the inverted commas, click OK. Bold and center the heading and substitution value is where necessarily. Bold and center the heading, substitution value where the necessary. Center heading.